For your own safety as well as yours, try it.
What
okay?
do you think? 2 tickets in 1 day.
Okay, is it the same street? Okay then.
2 tickets in 1 day, yeah?
Okay.
2 tickets in 1 day,
okay,
yeah?
back off.
2 tickets in 1 day, yeah?
Back off.
What do you mean
I'm telling
back
you,
off?
back off right now. Back off. Back off. I'm warning you, back off.
What do you mean back off?
Right off.
Okay, take your ticket.
No, it's your ticket, back off. You deal with that. Back off.
Take your ticket.
No, it's your ticket. I'm telling you, I'm warning you.
Yeah.
Back off.
What do you mean warn me?
Back off.
What do you mean?
Back off.
I'm no back off until you know put this.
Control Cove Police here, ASAP please. Thank you. We've got an Asian male, brown tracksuit, accompanied by another male in darker jeans, blue t-shirt, striped top, with registration, Foxtrot Yankee 11. Uniform November Whiskey, white Seat. Park Bamber Street, near number 4.
Get it, I'm waiting.
Yeah, they're on the way. They're on the way, sir.
Get it.
They're on the way, sir. They're on the way. Back off. Back off. He's grabbed my equipment. He's grabbed my equipment. He's grabbed my equipment.
I am not going to give me a ticket again. Give me a ticket again.
Let me have my equipment back. Let me have my equipment back. Let me have my equipment back. I need an ambulance, I can't walk.
You can help us, mate.
I can't walk, my foot's broke. It's totally broke, it's broke.
So I call some help from you.
Please.